Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to install apps on iPhone and iOS device without Apple ID password. So how you gonna do that? For example, if you open App Store and if you click on any app, and after clicking on any app, if you're going to install it, then after clicking on install, if it asks you password, then how you can fix that? First of all, you have to close the App Store. After closing the App Store, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on the settings here. After clicking on the settings here, you have to click on your Apple ID. After that, you have to click on media and purchases here, and here you have to click on password settings. If you click on password setting, then you have to make sure that you have turned off the required password toggle. Here you have to turn off this. After turning off this, you have to click on done, and after that you have to go for the next setting, which is as you have to click on the screen time here, and here you have to turn on screen time if you already do not have turned on, so you have to click on continue. After that you have to click on this is my iPhone. After a few seconds this kind of interface will appear, so here you have to click on content and privacy restriction, and you have to turn on the toggle of content and privacy restriction, and here you have to click on iTunes and App Store purchases, and you have to make sure that it is click on don't required password, which means when you install any kind of app or you do any kind of purchases from the App Store, it do not require password. In this way you can install any kind of app from the App Store without Apple ID password. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.